Hey you guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing both my October Boxycharm box and then my Ipsy Glam bag plus. I'm going to be comparing both of the boxes, but before we get started, I would really appreciate it if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, I just posted a brand new giveaway. You guys do not want to miss out on that. I'll have it linked in my description box below, and then I'll also have the giveaway video up here in the cards if you guys want to go and watch that. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. So I think I'm going to go ahead and unbox my Ipsy Glam bag plus first. This box this month is really cute. They did a different box. Normally it's like a hot pink color, and I don't think the Ipsy looks like that on the box, but I can't really remember. All right, so the first thing that I see in the box is this palette right here. This is from the brand Lovecraft Beauty. I have never heard of that before. This is their bronzer palette. I do like the packaging a lot. I think it looks really cute. And then inside we have 3 bronzer shades right here. They do look like they're all matte bronzers. I'm thinking I could probably use both of these shades right here. So I do think this is pretty cool to get in the box. I don't think I own just like a full bronzer palette, so that's really nice. Next up, it looks like we have another palette here. This is the Betty Boop and Ipsy palette, so I guess it's like a palette that is made by Ipsy. I'm not usually a fan of like these palettes that they make. The packaging though is pretty cute. Okay, so here are what these shades look like. I'm actually pleasantly surprised. This purple shade right here is super pretty, and then the one next to it looks like a duochrome shade. Like it almost looks blue, but then when you tilt it, it has like pink little reflex in it. So there is only one matte shade in this palette, which is right here, which I don't really like. I normally use a ton of matte shades, but the shimmery shades in here do look really pretty. So the next thing that came in my Ipsy box is this brush set, and this is from the brand Farah, and I'm pretty sure we got a Farah brush set, I think, in our last Boxycharm box. So this one is a face brush set, and the one before was an eye brush set, and that is in my most recent giveaway. I'm going to be giving that away to one of you guys. These brushes actually do look really nice. It looks like we have like a powder brush, and then like a flat top kabuki brush, and then like it looks like it's almost like a little foundation brush right here, which I never really use brushes like that, but this set does look pretty nice. All right, so the next thing that I have here, I'm pretty sure I already got this in a Boxycharm like a few months ago. This is the Touch and Soul No Problem Priming Water. I'm almost positive that we've gotten this in a Boxycharm before, so I'll probably be putting this in a giveaway because I don't need 2 of these, but I do think this is a good product to get in the box. Next up, I have something here from the brand Jolie. I feel like we get stuff from this brand a lot in Ipsy. I had never heard of it until I got it in like an Ipsy box. This is I don't even know what this is. It says Spectra Stick. I'm not sure if this is a lip product or what this is. So here is what it looks like. It looks like a little like highlighting stick or something like that. I love the packaging though, how you push it to release the product. I love when brands make cool packaging like that. I can't see myself using this, so I'll probably pass this along to you guys. I'm not really excited about this, to be honest. And then we have one more thing in the Ipsy box, and it's a makeup bag. So this is part of the Betty Boop collection, I guess. It's just like a little sequin makeup bag. This is pretty cute as well, but honestly, I just don't see myself using this. So out of like the Ipsy box, I would definitely say the best thing that I got is the bronzer palette, and then the brushes are pretty nice as well. This Betty Boop and Ipsy palette is just like okay to me. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this. I do think that this is a good product to get, but once again, I already have it. And then as for the makeup bag and then this little highlighter stick, I'm not really a big fan, but overall I would say that this month's box is decent. Definitely not the best that I've gotten though. All right, now I'm going to move over into my Boxycharm box. I have already opened this up, and I did use one product in here already because I knew I was getting this one. This is the iconic like setting spray. This is their Prep Set and Glow spray. I really like the way that this looked like whenever I applied it to my face. I used it at the end of doing my makeup, and there were like little flecks of glitter that I just had to take like my sponge and kind of press it into the skin. It didn't like leave any spots like some glowy sprays do. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. I liked that we got that. So the next thing that I got in my box is an eyeshadow palette. This is from Dose of Colors. This is their Baked Browns palette. I knew we were also getting this as well because I saw like spoilers. So there are a bunch of different versions of this palette. I have the Blushing Berries palette, and then I can't remember exactly what it's called, but I have the Mauves palette as well. So I don't own this palette. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not because I just don't see myself using these very often, but I do think this is really cool that we got this in the box. I'm wondering if anybody got like the, I don't know if it's purple or blue, but it has more like colorful shades in it. I was hoping to get that one, but I ended up getting this one. So the next thing that I got in my box, I don't actually have in the box anymore, because it was the Paulas Choice 2% BHA. I'll put a picture on the screen. I'm pretty sure like my husband took it out of the box because he actually uses that product all the time. So yeah, I was excited that I got that because I was about to purchase him a new one, but then I got it in my box, so that was nice. So there are 2 more products that I got in my Boxycharm this month. Next up, I got another product from Iconic London. That's weird. I don't think I've ever gotten 2 products from the same brand in a box before. This is their lip plumping gloss in a really pretty like deep berry shade. And then the last thing that I got in my box is from the brand Hollywood in Vine. This is their Kohl Crayon eyeliner. It's just a black eyeliner. I'm so tired of getting eyeliners in my boxes. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like I just get so many eyeliners. I'm pretty sure when I did like the quizzes for both Boxycharm and Ipsy, I said I didn't really like to get eyeliners, but somehow I just still keep getting them. So out of my Boxycharm box, I'm definitely the most excited about the Iconic London setting spray. And then I'm not sure if I'm keeping this, but I also feel like this is a really exciting product. And then obviously the Paulas Choice product was really nice to get in the box because I actually do purchase products from that brand as well. So overall, I would have to say that I feel like this month Boxycharm is definitely the winner. I feel like we got more like high-end name brand products in the Boxycharm box, and I just felt like overall I was more excited about what I got in my Boxycharm versus my Ipsy box. If you guys get either Boxycharm or Ipsy Glam Bag Plus or just the regular Ipsy, let me know in the comments down below what you guys got in your box. I always love to hear the different variations. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, make sure you guys go enter that giveaway that I mentioned at the beginning of today's video. It'll be linked in my description box below. Also, I'm gonna have all of the products that I mentioned in today's video linked in my description box below as well if you guys want to check any of them out. And also, before you leave, make sure you guys click the bell next to the subscribe button so you can receive notifications of when I post new videos. Thank you so much for watching.